Here is the video for LED screen setup, and here are the materials when we achieve the LED screen. That contains one screen, one Ethernet cable, and one power cable, and one set of the hanger setups. So here's the front side of the LED screen. Here's the back side, two connectors on the side. And this is for the power, and this is for Ethernet. And those two caps are for the dust and water protection. And the Ethernet cable is for the screen control. So find the right direction and push in. When you hear a little click, then that's good. And when we need to unplug the cable, we need to press this small black button over here, and then we can pull it up, pull it back, and here's a small click, and then that's the finish of the Ethernet cable connection.